Now we will have a numerical based on probability of error of QPS के signal we have started it. ठीक है. So given question, the question was given that binary data is transmitted over a microwave link of bit rate of 10 to the power 6 bps and power spectral density of this. Determine average carrier power required to maintain an average probability of error P is equals to 10 to the power minus 4 for coherent QPS के. ठीक है. And what is the required bandwidth. ठीक है. So we have solved in previous video, so we will just go thoroughly over it. So the probability of error of QPS के signal is 2 into Q under root E by under root twice AB by N0. ठीक है. Just substitute the values and using the Q function table you find that it is the Q of X, that is X is 3.90. So for 3.90 the probability of error is less than 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, and then substitute here, we will get the value of average carrier power, and bandwidth is 1 upon TB. ठीक है, which is nothing but the bit rate. ठीक है, it is the, ये bandwidth मतलब क्या बोलेंगे, it is the minimum required, इसको हम बोलेंगे minimum required bandwidth. तो bandwidth required should not be less than, ठीक है, 10 to the power 6 हर्ट्ज. ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा कितनी भी रखो. ठीक है, लेकिन कम से कम इतनी रखेंगे फॉर प्रॉपर इन्फॉर्मेशन ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ द इन्फॉर्मेशन. फॉर प्रॉपर ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ द इन्फॉर्मेशन bandwidth should be at least 10 to the power 6 hertz. ठीक है, so it is the minimum bandwidth required. Now second type of third type of shift keying is DPSK, differential phase shift keying. ठीक है, so in the differential phase shift keying the phase of the carrier is changed when the symbol is 1 and not changed when symbol is 0. Like unlike in BPSK, symbol 1, when it is symbol 1 phase is 0 and for symbol 0 phase is pi. But in the case of DPSK the phase of the carrier will change, that is when symbol is 1. So when the previous phase is 0 and if the current symbol is 1, the phase will be pi. ठीक है, similarly when previous phase is pi and symbol is 1, the phase will be 0, and not change when symbol is 0. When the previous phase is 0, current phase also 0. When previous phase is pi, current phase is also pi. So it is the concept of differential phase shift keying. ठीक है. Now we will elaborate that statement, that is when we are having the message sequence DK preceding sequence. ठीक है, so we will compare the current sequence, message sequence with the previously modulated sequence, preceding sequence या previously modulated sequence, which is DK minus 1, and it will be the actually transmitted sequence. It will be the actually transmitted. It is the DK क्या है आपके, DK is the applied sequence. DK is the applied sequence at the input of DPSK. ठीक है, and DK1 is the previously modulated sequence. ठीक है, and it is the currently modulated sequence. ठीक है, these two are the modulated sequence, and it is the input applied sequence. ठीक है, and the fourth row is phase of the carrier. ठीक है, so we have considered any arbitrary sequence 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 and so on. ठीक है, now we have to consider the initially we have to consider it is 0. ठीक है, so क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे DPSK में, if the previous phase is 0 previous phase is 0 then and symbol 1 is there, then there is change in the carrier. ठीक है, change in the phase of the carrier. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हम क्या लिख रहे हैं, when bit is 0 there is no change in the phase, and when bit is 1 there is change in the phase. ठीक है, so it is input applied sequence. ठीक है, the phase will depend on the applied sequence. 0 है तो कोई चेंज नहीं रहेगा फेज में. ठीक है, तो इनिशियली हम कंसिडर करेंगे, इनिशियली फेज भी 0 है, तो ये 0 है तो 0 इट इज द इनिशियल वैल्यू. ठीक है, सिमिलरली फॉर सेकंड बिट, सो प्रीवियस फेज वाज 0, सो करंट फेज इज आल्सो 0. ठीक है, सिमिलरली फॉर 1, नाउ द बिट इज 1, तो फेज विल चेंज, सो प्रीवियस फेज वाज 0, द करंट फेज विल बी पाई. ठीक है, देन फॉर 0 नेक्स्ट बिट इज 0, तो फेज विल नॉट चेंज, प्रीवियस इज पाई, तो नेक्स्ट इज आल्सो पाई. सिमिलरली फॉर 0 phase will not change, for bit 1 phase will change, pi to 0. ठीक है, then for 1 0 to pi, again 0 come, so no change in the phase, and for next 0 no change in the phase, and for 1 now 1 is there, so phase will change from pi to 0. ठीक है, फिर again 1, so 0 to pi, फिर then 1 so pi to 0, then फिर again 1 so 0 to pi. Now we have to